What is up, guys? This is Jonathan Ryerson here, and I made it 6 weeks through Woodrow Wilson. I got 3 more weeks to go, and I've been home for this is the third day I've been home for now because it is Easter. It is the Easter weekend, and today is Easter, April 21st, 2019. And today I would like to come up with you of another fire alarm demonstration for you guys because this is Easter. So this may be a really odd one, and I do have a device that I haven't really tested for a while, and I really wanted to, and I got some explaining about these devices pretty much. And what I was going through is I've been wanting to collect more devices, and I will pretty soon. And let's look at what devices do we have up for today. Right now, it's the same pole station, my Firelight BG12L, and I don't have a key for it yet, still. And right here we have my system sensor SS12LO. It's the remote strobe version of the system sensor Mass 80A. I don't know if other people have this version, the non-80A version of the remote strobe, but I don't usually have the actual mass sounder strobe. System sensor masses are sounder strobes, and they're multi-tone. So same thing as the MAEHs. Yeah, so they made system sensor masses non-80A, and they made 80A versions, and they made the system sensor MAEHs both non-80A and 80A. I will be able to get a system sensor mass pretty soon. I don't know which version I want, but I think I'm the only person that has one of these, I believe, because some of these have got taken out along the way because the strobe on these kind aren't very bright at all, and the strobe is only 1.5 candela, by the way, and the strobe does flash really slow. And the weird thing about this strobe, it looks like a wheelock strobe almost, except it's kind of, if you look from the top, it has more of a narrow kind of a sleek design, pretty much. I think that's pretty cool how they designed that strobe. And some of these do come in ceiling mount versions as well. Excuse me, I have allergies, so they did make MAEHs. I will get a system sensor mass, but the thing with MAEHs, they're extremely rare, so I couldn't be able to find one. That's because they're not pretty common, but the mass is easier to find than the MAEH. So, if people wants to sell an MAEH, then I'll be glad to buy it. But I want a perfectly good working order one. Not the one that is like worn out and unable to change the tone and whatnot. But I do like the system sensor mass a lot more, so I'll get a mass pretty soon. The Gentex GOS is multi-tone as well, but it's pretty fun making these fire alarm demonstration series, so figured I would throw that out there. And let's set it off. And 3, 2, 1. I don't know if you can hear it, but you can hear that high-pitch squealing noise. And a lot of strobes along the way, like strobe lights, they make a very high-pitched whistling sound when you get too close to them. But some actually buzz, and some actually make that high-pitched squeal like this one is making now. I guess this is one of the reasons why they took these out of some buildings, because the strobe on it is not really bright at all. it's pretty much the same brightness, just like on the Wheelock 7002T or the Wheelock EHS Steel 1 or the WST series, pretty much. I think that's why they took some of these out along the way, but they're designed to go outside. This is an outdoor device. Let's turn off this lamp right here. It does look kind of bright in the dark on camera, but not really in person. I don't know why the camera picks it up really bright. Alright, let's turn the light back on. Yeah, as I was saying, the strobe on this thing is not too bright at all. It's not very bright. And this alarm was tested back in Fire Alarm Test 9. 2 years ago. Okay, let's reset the pole. Alright, there you guys go. Thank you for this fire alarm demonstration of this system sensor mass 980A remote strobe SS12LO. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you very much. And I'm still working on that. I'm still doing some work on the Easter video, so happy Easter 4, so you guys will be able to see that later once I upload it. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. So I figured I would make this video for you guys while you're waiting for the Happy Easter 4 to be released. And I figured I would do a fire alarm demonstration for you guys on this Easter day. So, thank you all so much, everybody, and Happy Easter. Take care.